Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys a huge collective makeup haul. I am so excited because I am bringing my vanity over later this week. It's gonna be so cute. I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna move the mirror. I'm gonna be vlogging it, don't worry. But I have been like stocking up because I want to get back into doing beauty content. I want to get back into like enjoying doing my makeup, and I'm just so excited. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below because I am doing daily videos for the month of September. I'm so grateful to have you guys here. I hope you have been loving the daily videos. It's been a lot of fun. There's a lot of new besties here and I'm so excited and grateful to have you here. So thank you, thank you, thank you. We're just gonna get started. I do want to say as a little disclaimer, my birthday was over the weekend, so a lot of this was just kind of like fun birthday surprise gifts, and I'm so grateful and I'm so excited. So I hope you guys again enjoy this video. Starting off, I want to do more of the makeup items. So the first one, and I'm so excited to try this, I've been keeping it in the packaging to share it with you guys, is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. I love their concealer that's like this, like the little one. So I got the big one. This is a 4-in-1 glow makeup. So it's a primer, concealer, highlight, BB cream, base, corrector, illuminator, and BB cream. So I've seen a lot of TikToks on this. You can use it as any of those, so you can do it like whatever you want. And I'm so excited. So I got this in the shade Light Beige. I currently don't have any self tanner on, so this is kind of like my natural color. So I'm excited. I hope this is the right color, but I do wear a lot of self tanner during the fall and winter just to add a little glow since I'm inside a lot more. But I will be sure to give you guys an update on how I like that in my next makeup video. I also got the CoverGirl True Blend in Banana. I've been wanting to try a new translucent powder, and I saw this again on TikTok. So I do love all of the drugstore products. I'm a cheap makeup girl at heart, and I'm really excited. I put some of this on earlier under my under eyes to, I don't know the right word, I'm gonna have to watch more beauty content, to set my concealer earlier, and oh my gosh, it is like the perfect shade. I love it. I love the feeling of it, especially for filming. I feel like it does look a little cakey in person, but like on camera it looks really good, and sometimes I do struggle when I don't have self tanner on with my under eyes. Another thing that I'm really excited about is this Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpting Gel. So this is essentially a brow gel, and it's kind of like a clear mascara brush. Like think of a mascara brush, and it's clear, and it just makes your eyebrows stick up. These are my eyebrows. I don't have any eyebrow makeup on them. I have pretty like thick eyebrows, so I'm excited because I like styling them when they're like up. So I got this in clear since I have blondish hair, and I'm so excited about this. Another one is this Burt's Bee chapstick. I have been wanting to try this forever and I've never done it, and it's just a lip balm, but I see these in like purse videos all the time. So it's just like a little chapstick like this, and I'm so excited. So I've heard it smells really good, but again, I have not opened it. Just been waiting to share this haul with you guys. Then I also got the Profusion Love Struck palette. Isn't this stunning? So there are 35 shades in here. I want to open this up with you. I need to go get my nails done because they are getting really long. And this is what it looks like. It's still got the little film on top. I think all the sparklies are really pretty. I want to learn how to do some fun eyeshadow looks. I never wear eyeshadow, and I got this and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. But I love learning how to do those from watching all those videos. Then I did get one of the Boar Bristle Brush hair brushes. So I want to try and do a slicked back bun or like a ponytail, and my hair is just kind of like fluffy, which I really like. I feel like it's really helpful for when it's down, but I'm not really good at getting that slicked back look. So this is from Goody Hair. It's just a like bristle brush, and I've heard that it makes your hair like really shiny when you brush it out, but I also heard it's like really good if I wanted to put my hair in a bun and you do this, it'll make it real like slicked back looking. So I can't wait to try that out with you guys as well. John got me a bath bomb for my birthday. He did like a spa day, and this is the Mermaid Bath Bomb, and it says that it floats and spins. I've only ever done a bath bomb once, and I'm so excited to do this. I don't know where it's from, but it's a sea salt citrus fragrance, and it's really pretty. It's kind of like 2 shades of blue, kind of fun. He also got me a Dr. Teal's bubble bath in lavender, and I do have 2 products that I ordered that are coming. I'll put it on the screen. I wanted to try out the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation. Again, I've heard great things. It was only $12 at Walmart, but there is a shipping delay. And I also ordered the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High washable mascara in Blackest Black. I've been dying for a new mascara. I've been using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, which again, absolutely love, but I'm excited to try something new, and I've heard wonderful reviews on that on TikTok. And then I got this 24 karat gold eye mask treatment. It's still in the packaging, so we might as well open this up as well. But I love doing those little eye patches. I have the Pixie ones, and I would definitely get those again, but I wanted to try these out, and I thought it was kind of fun since they're yellow, just to have different options, since I do have my green ones from Pixie, which again, highly recommend. Just unboxing this. There's more plastic on it. And there's 60 pieces, so I think it's like 30 wears. And you open it up like this. This is like the little applique. They're just like little yellow gold. Oh my gosh, little yellow gold eye mask, and they smell really good. So I'm super excited to use this on my next spa day. The last thing I want to share with you guys, my mom got me a whole bunch of these sheet masks, and I am a sucker for a sheet mask. So these are this brand, and I got the vitamin C one, acai berry, aloe vera, cucumber, tea tree, charcoal, pomegranate, honey, and I've done this one before, and it is such a refreshing mask. We have avocado, I don't know how to say this, ginseng, seaweed, collagen, and then vitamin C. So I'm super excited about all of these. They all have different perks and benefits depending on which one you do. Like the vitamin C is a formula that helps provide a radiant complexion, so I'm super excited. And then like the acai berry has oxidant and anti-aging properties in it, so it keeps your skin looking fresh and young. I don't know, I just think it's really refreshing doing a face mask at the end of the day. But I know this was super random. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys want me to vlog and document when I bring over my vanity. I'm so excited. I think it's gonna be so much fun to start getting back into making makeup videos and like get ready with me, especially over on Instagram and TikTok. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow with my next daily video. Bye guys.